Welcome to Fantastic Central Channel.
My name is
And my name is Five. And what are we going to do today?
We are going to do the pop-up slide tutorial in English with AR.
Wow, it's fantastic. I never heard this before.
Okay, let's see the equipment together. 1. Color papers. 2. Cutter. 3. Glue stick and double-side adhesive tape.
Next, 4. Steel ruler. 5. Pencil. 6. Scissors. And the last one, 7. Vocabularies and pictures. Okay, we are going to learn how to make the English pop-up slide with AR.
So, let's do it together.
First step, prepare three colors. Its head width 19.5 centimeters and height 26 centimeters.
Next step, cut off the moving body with 14 centimeters by the cutter.
Like this.
Then, use the steel ruler to fit the edges of pink paper. Then, use the pencil to draw all four sides.
Step 3. Make sure the horizontal form right 1.5 centimeters. Then divide the paper in half. Form the end frame. It had 9.5 centimeters.
Next step, use the tip of the ruler to paste on the paper to make creases.
Next, use the cutter to cut the frame on three sides. Okay, like this.
Next step, upside down and fold in the same way as previously done. Then use the double-side adhesive tape to paste on three sides of the paper border.
the yellow papers to cover moving body. Next, bring the last color papers to paste. Buy double-sided adhesive tape and then put it on paper again.
And the last step, bring the pictures and vocabularies to paste on the glue stick, then paste it on the paper.
Okay, finish. Now, let's see how to use and create AI. Step 1. Download the free app HP Real by searching from Play Store or App Store. Next, access the app, apply for membership, find the image that you want, and then click to take a photo. Next, step 3. Select the image format to be inserted into the media. And next, decorate press the 3D model. Where to press it, can move, explain. Five, then save file with name. And 6. Clearer usage by bringing the picture that we took first, then scan the app to scan. We'll get the picture as in the pictures.
In 3 of dimensional viewing, you open the app HP Reveal and the cover erase. And then search for the name Kanyarat 693 and then click follow her account. And the last step, you click on the detection symbol at the bottom of the screen. It looks like 4 corners, squares in a dark blue circle. Then you shining on the image. You will see the image, and you can add sound of animals or movie with amazing dimensions.
weed every day. Nigga,